Have you ever wondered why the poor stay poor and the rich just keep getting richer? It's not just about money, it's about mindset, system, and information. The truth is, poor people trained to survive, rich people are trained to grow. From day one, the environments are different. The poor are taught to save, to avoid risk, to get job and play it safe. The rich, they are taught to invest, to own, the multiply. One group works for money, the other makes money work for them. The poor trade time for money hour by hour, day by day, but time is limited. The rich build things that earn while they sleep. Businesses, assets, royalties, they understand leverage, while someone else is making money off that person's time. That's the system, and most people never question it. They accept it, they follow it, and then wonder why nothing changed. It's not about intelligence, it's about exposure. All you see growing up is paycheck to paycheck. You normalize it, you accept it. If you're never taught how credit works, how investment grows, how money flows, you're playing a game without rules. Meanwhile, the rich are born into networks, into conversations about real estate, stock, equity, taxes. Things most people are not even taught in school. The system rewards ownership, not effort. That's why two people can work the same odds, completely different lives. One is stacking odds, the other is stacking assets. And it's not just about financial, it's psychological gap. Poor say, I can't afford that. The rich ask, how can I afford that? One mindset shuts the door, the other looks for keys. Look at how people use money. The poor get it and spend it. The rich get it and invest it. Then they spend the returns. That's why poor person can win the lottery and still end up broke. Because money doesn't change your habits, it exposes them. Without the right mindset and knowledge, more money just speeds up and bad decisions. That's a trap. Education plays a great role too, but not just degrees. Financial education, emotional discipline, delayed gratification. Most people want quick wins, fast money, instant successes. But wealth is not built in days, it's built in decades. The rich understand that delay the luxury. They reinvest the wins. They play long game. The truth is, the system is not fair, but it is predictable. And once you understand how it works, you can flip it. You can learn what the rich know. You can apply it daily. It's not easy, but it is possible. You just have to stop playing the game you were taught and start playing the one that actually builds freedom. So the poor stay poor because they stuck in cycles. The rich stay rich because they create systems. And this difference is not fate. It's choices. The good news every day is a chance to choose differently. What will you choose?